Hello friends, short review, Leatherman Tread from Aliexpress. It's really fake. It's absolutely fake, even it have named of brand Leatherman, even it have this low quality like logo of Leatherman, even it have here Leatherman like original. It absolutely fake Leatherman Tread. And what I can say about it, about difference. Here glass breaker, it not like on original. On original it have separately part here, not part of construction. Else lock. It should be with one this ball, not both. And about this one, I think you see yourself. It should be more better. And a lot of difference, like material of it. It's look like stainless steel, but I don't know clear what is it. Magnet cannot connect with this one, and I want to show you how it works with different oh, okay, let's see. So if you really want something like Leatherman Tread, but don't want to spend about $200, it's cost about $25 or maybe $30 on Aliexpress, and it's, for my opinion, it's almost the same. Original is useless accessory for men, and fake is almost the same useless accessory for men. It's almost no difference between each and other, for my opinion. It's both cannot be really useful tools. It's only for nice looking on your arm, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, bye bye.